G'day, Sai here. Welcome to day 13 of my 1 Minute 1 Story series, where I document my life on the road for 30 days. Today I finally work on a little project that I've been planning for many months. Actually, ever since I finished the pop-top conversion in interior rebuild. I have this idea of a shelf above the visor to use that empty space between the pop-top and a fridge slider, so I have a little bit more interior space. I searched for fridge slider on the market for some times, but they were all between 300 to 500 pounds, and none of them fit the exact dimension that I need because of my small space. So I decided to give it a crack. DIY projects save up quite a bit of money. I think total about 2/3 of the cost. I ordered a woodcutter size. It all fit perfectly. Easy setup, just push forward to the driver's seats, and I have extra space to chill. Anyway, that's my DIY projects. I hope you have a great day. I talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Ciao.